What a roller coaster day in the markets. At one point, the NASDAQ 100 QQQ was up about 1.5%. And as of 3:06 this afternoon, down not quite 0.2%. Don't worry, my friends. I am here to deliver you your proverbial volume and facts. First of all, it's the last day of the month. Crazy things can always happen on the last day of the month of trading. It is always options expiration here also. A lot of options expiring that can also lead to some selling. But I get it. The elephant in the room is the tariffs that Trump has imposed on Canada, Mexico, and some on China. Now, the emotional herd all over again is falling victim to the financial and political news shows. My friend, Trump is not something brand new. We all know how this turns out because guess what? It's exactly how it turned out the last time he was president. Yup, he puts the tariffs on, everybody goes bullshit, and guess what happens? The involved parties come to the table, they make a nice deal that is great for America, and things always turn out to be wonderful. Why are you so afraid this time around? We already know how this game works. It works out in favor of America. Jensen over at NVIDIA, yep, he is meeting with Trump literally right now. And guess what's going to happen with NVIDIA and Jensen? He's going to kiss Trump's ring like everybody else, and everything's probably going to be fine. I'm not saying that there aren't other issues. I get it with the DeepSeek and China has chips and whatnot. I'm not saying there aren't any issues to take into consideration. There absolutely are, but the emotions today off the charts, and I think it's completely unwarranted. What did I do today? Absolutely nothing. I happily sat on my hands, watched the market, and I'm looking forward to next week. Take a breath, my friend. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. In the immediate term, some of the underlying data continues to be mixed. The McClellan summation indexes continue to rise. I think this is very bullish. The 10-year yield up a little bit today on the day. We now have we still have that unconfirmed breakdown below 4.54% until we get that first close above that same level. Very, very close as of about 2:30 this afternoon. Continue to watch this level, but in generalities, I need to see lower interest rates here to generally see higher stock prices. As I have shared with you, the dollar has been getting stronger over the last week or so. I think this is generally bearish for the short-term stock market. As of about 4:30 this afternoon, the dollar making an unconfirmed breakout above that 108.24 level. If it closes above that level today and closes meaningfully higher on Monday or Tuesday or so, yeah, it would confirm the breakout. So watch a stronger dollar. I personally want to see the dollar weaken again and come down to that 107.05 level. On the NASDAQ 100 QQQ, I'm first looking for a confirmed breakout above point number 1. That is the Christmas Eve day close. Then looking for a breakout above point number 2, the white upsloping trend line. Then a breakout above point number 3, the prior all-time high. Watch these levels. U.S. crude down more today. That's wonderful. If you're following along at home, you know for 2 weeks and 3 days I've been short crude oil here. Keep knocking on the door, attempting to break below $72.34 a barrel. Hasn't done it yet. The more times it knocks on the door means it could happen. Watch this level. If it does confirm below that level, I'm watching for U.S. crude to go down to $69.21 a barrel. Gold as of the middle of the afternoon, down on the day, not confirming yesterday's breakout, potentially based on what happens. My next swing trade in gold could be to short gold. Stay tuned.